Hello to audience, Namaste, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. So here I am back with the reading for the month of July 2020. Let's see what tarot has for you this month. Here comes the first card, Star. So Star is more likely talks about hope, faith, peace. Okay, I am sensing that you are going through some tough times either in your relationship or in your career or in some phase of life you have been going through some tough time, and this card says that there is a hope ahead of it. No, this card says gives you that energy, gives you brings that inspiration. Okay, and this card says also if you are going through some health issues, this card says that yeah, this month is you find upheaval and in your health also. And it says that you are truly blessed by the universe, so this time the universe is in your favor, and no, it's trying to renew your confidence, renew your hope and faith also. Okay, so this card this time, you will experience you will find all the things that you are looking forward, you were looking forward, you were looking for something in the past, or in the last month, since last few months probably. If you are struggling for something, then this month is going to give you the things, is going to fulfill your requirements. So it's just the kind of hope, the positivity that you need to have within yourself to attract, like your vibe attract your tribes. So develop that positivity, have that hope with the universe, and you will be blessed with that for sure. Okay, and then we see for the next card, which is the moon. uh, After the star, followed by moon. Okay. So coincidentally, yeah, this happened with you, Taurus, and the moon is again talks to you. Say tells you that something which you have formed an opinion, or no, you are already going through some mindset which need to be rechecked. No, you need to get into things in a more deeper. You need to get into uh, more deeper sense, right? That means, the things are not clear. You are in a, you are occupied, or you are seeing from an illusion mind, which might create complexity. So things need to be digged deeper. Either it can be your love life, it can be your relationship also, or it can be your uh, uh, finances, it can be your career also. So you need to understand the complexity of that situation, and try to get deeper things, try to dig it deeper, try to understand what is wrong, what is behind the curtain also. Only then you will able to overcome the situation, or make the situation favorable. So this is what the card says. Yeah, it also says that no, let intuition guide you through this darkness. Okay, so try to understand what your inner side is telling you. Try to get more into you. As the first card says, yeah, you need to build that faith inside you. At the same time, try to understand things from a deeper perspective. Okay, and then we come to the third card, which is Page of Wands. I feel that probably this is an energy. Page of Wands is a energy of cheerfulness, energy of excitement. Okay, it brings lot of energy actually. So as you are going through this phase of bringing back, renewing your confidence, this Page of Wands is here to support you. It can be, some friend who is representing, who is playing the role of Page of Wands, probably for you this man, who is going to give you some sort of joy, some sort of bring that excitement back into your life, making you bringing that confidence and making you do things spontaneously also. So this is a page of wands is also comes up with a very good vision. The card says, you know, gifted with something really it's looking forward in your life. So this is how the card says कि, you know, try to look things beyond what you are looking, what you are dealing with it at in the present situation, and there is a solution only when you get deeper into it, get deeper with the things, with the problems, with the complexities that you are dealing with. Try to get deeper into it, and then only then you will be able to understand the real path of moving forward. So this is what the month tells you, dear Taurus. And then we have this wonderful card again, supporting card again from the energy cards. Okay, so what energy mm, that you are going to be supported is Angel of Love. Wow, such a wonderful card again for you. Sorry, I need to bear with me with this throat issue. Okay, so the angel of love, the card itself is so much soothing, isn't it? So much loving energy with yourself. So the card says that you need to heal yourself fully. Try to bring out that hidden love within yourself, and then you find the love that you are looking for in this world, in reality. Only when you are actually going to present your loving nature, when you understand your loving nature and bring this out, then you will be able to attract that level of love, that true love in the external world. Okay, so this is what the energy is telling to you this month. And then we have a universal card for you. Here comes your universe message, and this says, when I lean on the faith of the universe, peace becomes real. How true. Okay. This means you should again connecting to the first card, that is star. So when I lean on the faith of the universe, so you have to believe. Try to find that faith within yourself, within with the universe. Try to connect yourself with the universe while establishing this faith, and your peace becomes real. So, Taurians, with this, I'm ending your reading for this month. I'll see you again next month for the coming for the next month of August 2020. Till then, I wish you good luck. Have a great time. See you. Bye bye.